is she doing? Look, brand new collection, Aurtiende, which means original in Swedish. So just take a look what we have here. Tote bags, hats. I cannot tell if this collection is ever gonna sell globally, but t-shirt,
มีถุงเท้าด้วยเดี๋ยวฉันจะซื้อถุงเท้า99 บาท
water bottles, hoodies. Also, there is another brand new collection that only sold at this store. This cute Annabelle pin. I take one. Max Sutra. I don't know. Anyway, if you just plan traveling to Thailand or you have already been here right now, don't forget to grab some items from both collections. Yeah. Let me try plant-based hamburgers. Yeah. Bacon sausage is this meal savor, not gonna lie. And the last but not least, cheesecake. Oopsie. Give me a try. Good old cheesecake, but it tastes like yogurt. Besides this personal visit, My actual plan that came to IKEA in the first place is just only for this. This is not an April Fool's, which means for the first time ever, IKEA just sell their own microphone. But hey, just be sure to check out whatfoxtech for the review, okay? Why there's a hole? What the heck? Some celeb. I don't even give a.
48-year-old kids love it too.
Alright, that's it for today. If you want to explore more on the Emsphere, you probably better go to some other channel. Anyway, I really want to thank all of you that just came across my shop. And there's over 600 views. Really appreciate. It's 15:30, which means it's time for me to say till the next time.